this video, I'm highlighting the beginning of year 1 into my anniversary, which happened on today, March 24th, year number 2. Enjoy. This was the beginning of year 2, or a little bit, maybe a month past year 2. And you see my hair was a little bit more on the frizzy side, actually a lot more. But eventually, you're going to see how the frizz, with actually maybe 2 or 3 months in of my second year, started to get less and less. And my individual locks started to have their own personality. Now, know how much shorter the locks are. You'll see later on how they've grown since. I tried putting it in a little small bun, guys, just for a little bit of creativity. This is where I tried a braid out. And up next we have my hair really starting to come in. This is by the summer, so about 4 or 5 months into my into year number 2. And sometimes, it's just a little frizz here and there, but for the most part, I was starting to see growth. I remember that earlier picture where I was comparing my hair. Look at it now. Big difference. As I move a little bit later on into the fall, I started experimenting with some hairstyles, and my hair really started improving as far as each individual lock coming into its own and looking more like locks and less like a fro frizz lock, whatever I had. Another braid out. This is where I tried a roller set, and this is wrapping around the end of the year, and my hair was really starting to make some serious changes. Look at the volume that it started to incur, guys. Again, with time, locks get better. And you can note all that initial frizz is almost gone. Now, when I say almost gone, I mean like the excessive frizz. I don't mean like I don't have any frizz at all that shows. And this is where we're getting into the new year 2021. And my hair is getting more full. My locks are more defined. This is a nice roller set that I tried and I thoroughly enjoyed. And I tried a nice little bun, which I will do a video on in the future. And as we get closer, we're just seeing how my hair is really starting to flourish, and I do not look like the same person. Fullness is coming in, locks are thriving. And if you have not watched the first video, my part 1, I show you from the beginning of my journey how my hair looked, which is significantly different than this. So I would love for you to look at that last video, and if you've not done so, please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and see those new uploads. And again, have a great day.